Now we'll start creating the code file for the store page. Go back to the Google Site Setup Store Tool interface. Scroll down to the Create Google Site section. Here we need to fill in two fields: the deployment ID app script that we deployed in the previous steps. First, the deployment ID of the product management script used to manage product information. Second, the deployment ID of the order management script used to manage order information. Now we'll start filling in the product management deployment ID field. Access Google Sheets, then open your product management file. Click on Extensions. Then click on App Script. Continue by clicking Deploy. Then click on Manage Deployment. A new window will open. Here you will see the deployment ID that you deployed earlier. Click on Copy to copy it. Go back to the Setup Store Tool interface. Paste the copied deployment ID into the corresponding field for Product Management Deployment ID. We will close the Apps Script Product Management window. Return to the Setup Store Tool interface. Continue with the Deployment ID Order Management field. The process is 100% the same. Go to Google Sheet and open the Order Management file. Click on Extensions. Then click on App Script. Continue by clicking Deploy. Then click on Manage Deployment. A new window will open. Here you will see the deployment ID that you deployed earlier. Click on Copy to copy it. Return to the Setup Store Tool interface. Paste the copied deployment ID into the corresponding field, Order Management Deployment ID. Click the Create Google Site Store button. The tool will automatically create the code file. After successful creation, scroll down to see the result, the folder path containing your code file. We will return to this tool window in the next step, so don't close it yet. We will close the App Script Order Management window. That completes the second step, creating the code file for the store page. Begin deploying the store page to Google Site. Access Google Sites using the link in the top left corner of the screen. If you don't have a Google site, create one here. If you already have one, skip this step. To create a new one, click the plus sign to add it. A new window will open. This will be the interface of a blank web page. We will add a subpage, also known as a page. Click on Page, then click the plus sign in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click Full Page Embed. And name this subpage, for example, My Store. Click Save. In this window, click Add Embed. A new window will open. Click Embed Code. There will be a blank field to paste the code. Return to the Setup Store Tool interface. After creating the store page code in the previous step, scroll down to the Results section and click Copy Code to quickly copy the code. Then return to the Google Sites interface. Paste the copied code into the blank field. Click Next. Then click Insert. Okay, at this point, you have successfully embedded the code into your Google site. Now, the final step is to publish your website so everyone can access it. Click on Publish in the upper right corner of the screen. A new window will open. Because this is a new Google site, the system will ask you to enter your Google site address or name. For example, here I enter My Store Vietnam 123. Then click Publish. That's it. Your store page has been published. You can view your store page by clicking the arrow next to the word Publish. Then, clicking View Published Site. You will see your store website publicly. Okay, that completes building your store page on Google's site. After building your store page, in the next sections, we will start setting up to post your own products on the store page instead of the current sample products, and setting up to receive notifications when someone makes a purchase. Set up the store's connection to your mobile device, and so on. Finish the store page building phase.